¿Te das cuenta de que vean en el grupo?
Buenos días. ¿Qué tal? ¿Cómo va eso? Bueno, vamos allá. ¿Cómo ha ido el fin de semana? Espero que todo haya ido bien, ¿vale? ¿Cómo van esos ánimos? Espero que también bien. Hoy estoy un poquito más solo. Martín está con la madre, así que podemos estar un poquito más tranquilos, ¿vale? Bueno, como comentaba en el blog ayer, vamos a empezar con biología de cuarto para luego dar una media hora de matemáticas de tercero, ¿de acuerdo? Entonces, ¿qué es lo que vamos a ver de biología de cuarto? Bueno, si veis en el blog, yo lo que un poco había comentado era que íbamos a hacer una serie de cosas. Vale, venga. Entonces era el punto número 5, ¿vale? Es lo que nosotros íbamos a ver que yo os iba a explicar. ¿Vale? Entonces lo vamos a poner por aquí. Y esto. Bueno, chicos, ¿cómo van esos ánimos? Espero que bien, ¿vale? No estéis muy aburridos. Así que... Sí, lo he dicho. Que no estoy muy aburrido. Vale, mirad. Mirad, una vez he leído el punto número 5 de la Tierra como planeta cambiante, he pensado en proponernos una serie de actividades, ¿de acuerdo? Antes, yo lo que quería hacer es un poco una introducción y un poco explicar qué es lo que yo he entendido del contenido, ¿vale? Entonces, y con esto terminamos el tema, ¿vale? Entonces, con esto terminaríamos ya la segunda evaluación y la unidad AICLE. ¿Qué es lo que viene a explicarme el punto número 5? Bueno, el punto número 5, que habla de la Tierra es un planeta cambiante, ¿vale? Entonces, yo me pongo a pensar y entonces os he propuesto una serie de cuestiones, ¿vale? Que sería, how do you think of change in the world, in the earth? Sorry. The thing is, mainly, the main change in the world, in the earth, has been slow, as, for example, continental movements, okay? If you think about our Earth, you think about Pangea, and then there were a lot of movements that get what Earth is today. Okay, so mainly the change that the Earth suffered are slow. Okay. The movement of the continents, it's called continental drifts. Okay. The thing is, yesterday I was looking and reading about southern process, because there is also southern process like volcanic activity. Okay, that are processing in the world. Okay, the thing is, one of this process I found is that from 10,010, there are a lot of volcanic activity in the world. This is like a suddenly process that is going to produce change in the world. Okay, but mainly, as I mentioned before, there are slow and continuous. Okay. Okay, the main witness. What is the meaning of witness? Imagine I make a murder. Okay, I kill someone. There is a person or someone is going to look at me. Okay, if I'm going to a process, a trial, he will be the witness. Okay, so in the earth, the main witness of this slow change that suffers the earth are the geosphere. Okay, and also the biosphere. Okay, because of the fossils, we can check different movements or different process that the earth suffers. Okay. Well, it could be more or less the intro for this topic, and in this way, the main contents are about to study the evolution, okay, of the atmosphere. Okay, if you remember, in first grade, we studied the origin of the atmosphere in the earth. There were an amazing activity of the volcanoes, okay, and a lot of gases that goes to the what we know today as atmosphere. Well, the thing is, I would like to introduce you and to teach you how was the evolution and the origin of the actual atmosphere. Okay, if you think about the atmosphere, we should know we have the air that it's include of different kind of gases. Okay, like oxygen, nitrogen, uh, dioxide, carbon dioxide. Okay, there are a lot of gases there. But the thing is, what was the origin of all of that? Okay. Let me check what I wrote yesterday. All right. Okay. So there is something very important we shouldn't forget, that it's the ocean. Okay. Hola. ¿Quién eres? Diogo. Diogo. O no, Álvaro. Álvaro Castrejo. Vale. Álvaro, esto es para cuarto, ¿vale? Es de cuarto de la ESO. ¿Vale? No tiene nada que ver con vuestro curso. ¿Vale? Así que y hoy voy a ponerme con cuarto y con tercero. Así que no sé si, bueno, vamos a hacer muchas cosas hoy, ¿vale? Hola, Diego. ¿Qué tal? Pues eso, que va con cuarto, ¿de acuerdo? Y nada, les estoy explicando un poco el origen de la atmósfera, y concretamente del ozono, ¿vale? Okay, so the thing is, we studied in first grade, the origin of the atmosphere is because of the volcanoes, okay? And the thing is, what is the moment that we receive the oxygen in the atmosphere, okay? If you remember, as I mentioned before, the atmosphere it's plenty of gases of the volcanoes, okay? And I have nitrogen, carbon dioxide, methanol, and a lot of gases, okay? And it goes to the atmosphere, okay? The thing is, there is very important thing. It's what's going on with the sun. The sun produces the ultraviolet lights, okay, and that are very, very, very hard and very difficult for the human beings. Okay, that's their main reason, because we have to take care of the ozone. I don't know how cool I pronunciation the word. Okay, so the thing is, the ultraviolet light is very highly mutagenic, okay? It has a very high mutagenic power, okay? And what does it mean for you? The thing should be that you think for a while, what is the meaning of this high mutagenic power, okay? If I remember what the atmosphere didn't have any ozone, okay? So the ultraviolet light is coming with all the power, okay? And I know today that it has a very, very high mutagenic power. So the thing is, it's going to predeterminate the primitive organism origin, okay? This strong power to modify the genes. It's going to define the organism origin, okay? Because okay, this primitive human being, well, sorry, human beings, this primitive life origin, it's going to produce the photosynthesis, okay? What is going to produce? It's going to produce oxygen, okay? Because of the photosynthesis, we are going to have oxygen in the atmosphere, okay? The thing is, we have a molecule of oxygen with two oxygen, okay? 1 and 2 to make the molecule, okay? The light is going to break down the oxygen into two atoms, okay? So I'm going to have in the atmosphere atoms or oxygen on their own, okay? And the plants are going to produce, because of the photosynthesis production, are going to produce much more oxygen molecules, okay? And now they are going to bond each other in the atmosphere. So it's the origin of the ozone, or ozono. Es que no soy capaz de decir ozono en inglés. So it is the origin of the ozone, okay? The molecule of oxygen that is produced by the plants are going to be bonding with the atom that it's on his own in the atom, okay? And that's the main reason, because oxygen is O2, okay? And then the light is going to break it down into atoms, okay? And here the plant is going to produce much more oxygen, and this oxygen is going to be bound and form, okay? The plant is going to produce much more oxygen, and before the light break it down, it's going to bond or to link, okay, with the other atom, and it's going to produce oxygen, okay? Okay, so this is the main origin of the primitive atmosphere, okay? Okay. So the thing is, for me, would be great if you answer to question 39. Okay. Sorry. Also in the blog, I'm going to upload a report about the heat. Okay. And the heat and how cool affects, how cool affects the heat to the human beings. Okay. And I want you to make a little report about the, the paper, okay? So for today, it's what I wanted to explain you, okay? The thing is about the change in the atmosphere in point 5 of the topic, the Earth change, okay? So I want you to make the question 39 and the report for next Wednesday, okay? So now is what I wanted to tell you about the 4th grade, and I'm going to upload, okay, in the blog the what I just mentioned, okay, and I'm going to report it, okay. So I'm going to shoot it down the lecture for today, okay, and I'm going to recover it in 10 minutes, okay. Thank you.